Hello, all you geeky crypto miners. Hope you're having a good day today. I thought we should talk a little bit about how to mine Bitcoin indirectly today. Like the global political scene and probably this huge surge in demand for AI data centers have made energy prices climb. And we all know that mining profitability hinges on affordable energy. And then meanwhile, Bitcoin mining difficulty has not eased up. If we look at the 3-year hash rate, it's not at an all-time high, but it's remained pretty high really since the fall of 2025. And then looking specifically at the 3-year difficulty chart, it basically mimics the hash rate. It's not at an all-time high, but it's roughly where it was in late 2025. And then also, if you look at this global energy chart shown here in US dollars per kilowatt hour, that's not really a pretty picture for commercial or residential miners. These energy costs are high right now, and they're probably only going to go higher. At the same time, Bitcoin's market cap has grown, and it seems to be the cryptocurrency that is the closest to becoming mainstream, arguably. Its price performance hasn't really been great lately, but some would still regard it as the safest and the least volatile of cryptocurrencies, relatively speaking, of course. Still all over the place. So here we are, like if mining Bitcoin isn't really profitable, is there a better way to go about this? Is there a way to mine Bitcoin indirectly? One option is to mine the coin of your choice and then just exchange it for Bitcoin. And that can be done fairly easily, at least for some coins, and for fairly low fees. So in my case, when I mine ZEC or Zcash, I routinely leave some of those holdings in a ZEC wallet, but then exchange some of them for Bitcoin to diversify my crypto portfolio. And lately I've been using this website, flashshift.app. This process is pretty simple, but there are a few steps. So I would go to the exchange area, which I think is like exchange.flashshift.app. And I just choose from ZEC to BTC in these two drop-down boxes. And you type in the amount, like I would type in how much ZEC I want to exchange in this type-in field. And in this example screenshot, FlashShift it's an aggregator, so it goes out and looks at all these different exchange options. And here it's suggesting that fixed float is my best, or one of the best exchange options, and it shows what that exchange rate and the fees would be at the current coin prices. So if I just hit this button and say yes, swap it via fixed float, it brings up the next screen, which is a wallet screen. And here I can just paste my Bitcoin wallet into the to address, and then I skip the ZEC or the Zcash wallet address. It's not needed. Instead, if you just kind of proceed to the next screen, it will pop up a QR code and say, okay, scan this code if you want to proceed. And I just access that QR code with my ZEC wallet. I use Zotl for my wallet, and that gives me the option to authorize the transaction by taking a picture of that QR code, and I proceed. And then within a few minutes, the transactions have been processed on the blockchains, and I have successfully turned the Zcash that I've just mined into some Bitcoin.